Battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
2 dooms, huh? Target-rich environment.
Help, friends!
Tanny needs help.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
What are you aiming at?
The mission area is yours. Backslaps and bear hugs.
There are too many of them.
Control lost.
Boom, one shot.
Glad to help. Focus on the battle.
Fighting longer than ever.
I'll patch you up.
That's all it took? Really?
Ow! That fucking hurt!
You are nothing!
What are you aiming at?
Control C. Shake it up.
Tanny needs help.
On the move again.
Cosmic flame!
Us against the world! Hostile friends, gather around! Help friends! Focus on the battle. You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
A thousand gods!
Hey, Tanny! Enjoy the amplifier!
What are you aiming at?
The area's almost yours!
Down at cold steel.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Now I'm really hitting
I'll
hard.
patch you up.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Or a dagger.
Another bounty claimed, Rocket? Nice work.
Host is an outdated term. Jean Grey and I
It's
are
you
one
and me
now.
again, old buddy.
Princess deserves her privacy.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
A princess deserves her privacy.
Hey, I'm looking for a giant tree and some humanoid morons. You seen them? They're kind of my only friends.
If they're on treetop, find them fast. I'm going to destroy the whole planet.
Whoa! When?
Very soon.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Sometimes you can reason with people
and sometimes they need a kick in the teeth.
I'll patch you up.
Bogey's
I
incoming.
need assistance.
never falls!
Standing here.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Always
We captured the mission area!
New entry.
Control seized!
Hands up. Hostiles.
Friends!
I'm doing this my way.
Ow! That fucking hurt!
Us against the world.
Together around! You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
What are you aiming at?
And I was aiming back.
Enjoy the amplifiers!
You are nothing!
1,000 gods!
Control off!
Thanks for the boost.
Be careful here!
Fight better. I must resist.
Now! That fucking hurt!
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Focus on the back.
What are you aiming at?
Hold still. Try to help. Who will help? Us against the world! Oh no! Look behind you! Almost got it! Time to shout.
I'll patch you up.
I am fire and life incarnate.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
It's nice to take a break from cosmic judgment every now and then.
Respect its ancient traditions.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready. That you need a bigger gun?
So, where do I find
We'll do the same way we always do. Together. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Once we get this timeline thing sorted out, I'm taking a long vacation somewhere with lots of stuff to steal. Down! That fucking hurts!
Shake it up! Anyone willing to help? Oh, I need assistance. Looks like the missionary. I am ready to put on a show!
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the amplifier! What are you aiming at?
Friends,
shield never
gather
hurts.
around! Control C! Focus on the battle.
Get out of here!
They are coming from behind.
Scratch my back!
A little help, please. You are nothing! Us against the world! That's not polite.
Thanks for the boost.
Maximum pulse!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. Shields up.
We won't forget. Clearly you needed some help.
Feeling fantastic. Control lost.
Now I see them. Anyone willing to help?
The phoenix burns once more.
Control seized. Glad to help. Glory is almost yours. I am ready to put on a show. We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Us against the world.
We've got trouble.
You are nothing. Another